Hey bosses, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. And today we are at the boat show. We are going to show you some boats. And right now we're going to take a look in this 32 meter. 125 here on the main deck. They built an elevator other deck so you can sunbathe and just lounge there, overlooking the boat on that side and on this side. And I already did a sneak peek on the inside in this boat. It's crazy. And you have a very nice lounge here. It's super nice. Yeah, this is like an apartment in Miami. And there we have the platform. Look how white this is. Super nice. Oh, and I like this. This is interesting. This is my friend Seda. And we were talking about the size of this boat, and I said this boat is too big, you cannot handle yourself by yourself, you need a crew. And she said, I don't mind, I would have this boat with a crew, everybody working for you, and you're just hanging out there, and they bring fruits, and then bring drinks, and then bring food, and that's it.
You don't want, I can get it, no problem.
Perfect. Let's go to the second floor, the second deck. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 people. 12 people. Most apartments in Miami can't fit that table. And we are in the boat. This is the biggest boat that I saw here on the boat show today. It's super interesting. It has 5 decks. We are in the third one. All the finish is aluminum, glass. Super nice. You even have a space for your gym here. You have the weights, the elliptical, more space for sun bath, and another super nice environment. This one, like together everybody will have a retractable television. And here you have a bar and a barbecue. That's interesting. Now we're going to start to see the boat on the inside, and it's amazing. Number one, the door is automatic, of course. Here we have the first lounge. I'm telling you, this is an apartment. You can live here easily. And this is an Azimut, so finishes are amazing. Big flat screen TV here. It is also retractable. It goes down, so you have the windows to look for outside.
So how old is your oldest?
20.
I like how they make everything flush. Like,
She's with me in
you
Washington.
don't see any frames on the doors and anything. So here you have one of the restrooms. Here you have one of the cabins. This is a suite cabinet. Mirrors. Oh, nice detail. I like that. Marble throughout everything. Marble. Handsome guy. Oh, they enclosed the shower head there. Super nice. Also, everything in marble. Everything in marble. Azimut is very good at finishes. Like, even the hinges are better. I broke it. Even the hinges are better than the doors in Miami. apartments. Yeah, you should take a picture here. This is the Helm. Super nice. Probably there's two of them. No, that's this one. Very nice vision to the outside. All the controllers here. So, oh, there's a jacuzzi outside. Did you see it?
I saw it.
We have access to the cabin, we have access to the Helm through the both sides. And let me see the front. Here is not only a sun pad area, but you actually have a jacuzzi. You have a freaking jacuzzi here, heated and with the hydro jets. So you have this deck. That's why they say this boat has 5 decks, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here you have all the anchor equipment. And this boat's a beast of a boat. Even though there's a space there, I want to go down inside. Yeah. You can get lost here very easily. Look at this stairs. Illuminated on onyx. That's so nice. This kitchen is bigger than my apartment. Super nice kitchen. It's a chef kitchen, yeah? That's why I tell you. And this is the maid's quarter where the crew stays.
I don't want to go there.
Yeah. This is the maid's quarter. Like, not going there because there's people. They have a whole section just for that. Here you have coffee, laundry, freezer, actually fridge. Like you have the controls here. Oh, the refrigerator is here. It's pretty nice. And I got a Coke. You have the other door here. This is the main salon. This is the main salon. Kitchen. This kitchen is huge. Super nice kitchen. It's good enough for you? This is the door. Look. Can close here. So nobody, like if you're cooking, you don't like send the smell of the food there. This is amazing. This is amazing. Like all the finishes, look, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Everything, the size of this window, like you can see everything. It's not like the other boats that they do the windows just the half of the size. This is the master suite. It's good. This is your master suite, said, huh?
That's for me.
That's just for you.
That's for me. I don't want anybody else here.
Yeah, it's huge. Like, what is this? This is just a panel, yeah. This is the TV.
TV.
Closet. Where is the bathroom?
Maybe here.
No. Oh, this is not the main cabin then. This is just a cabin without a bathroom. Need to find the main cabin.
Aşağı nereye gidiyor?
Aşağıda kapıda. Zaten ne kapı aşağıda.
I really like those stairs. And now we have the beds. Like, now we have the other cabins.
One more here.
That's the captain cabin, I guess. Everything in marble again. You always close this down. A lot of storage room. That's why it's nice big boats. You have a lot of storage room. You can live in this boat easily. I thought it was a
My
mirror.
initial.
Seda. Yeah, of course.
But I like the other bathroom, the big one, not this one.
This is another one with the bathroom there. So that's the main. No, so that's the main cabin, but I didn't see where is the bathroom. And this is another bunk bed. You open here, comes another bed. Yeah, no, here's the bathroom for this one, but I want to see the bathroom of the master.
Oh, I don't know.
That guy works here in the boat?
He says that the whole crew is Turkish.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So
This is another bunk bed.
they are gonna. Oh, really?
Yeah.
They're gonna be here like.
Here? No, this is just a panel. Where is the master bedroom? Master bathroom of this thing?
No. This is.
No, that's weird, huh?
There should be here.
Maybe it's behind this.
I don't think so.
We're trying to find where is the master bathroom of this. Cannot be here. This is not the master. This is just a half bathroom. He said there's a huge tub. Where the fuck is the tub? How did we miss it? Where's the freaking tub? Oh, that's it. There's.
You didn't push this
Oh,
button.
I didn't see this button, so it's hidden here.
Yeah.
Now I saw it. This
cool,
is
yeah.
amazing.
That's a TV.
Right, but
With a mirror.
Keith, this was, even this owner would never do it this way again.
No.
The tub is nice, but it's better to have his and hers bathrooms with a big shower, and
Okay.
it will take you an hour and a half to fill that tub up. It's beautiful. It's an art. It's a piece of art, but
It's copper? What is?
Okay, no, he's not gonna use a tub.
he said he told
I've
me.
never used a tub.
He told me he never used it.
The best tubs in my house is I've never used them.
So the one we're building is a huge center shower, her bathroom, his bathroom, 2 toilets, 2 vanities, and then the TV gets centered here.
Where's the walk-in, the closet, or where you put your clothes?
All through there and all through here. There is no physical step indoor. It's all.
This is copper? Yeah. No. I don't know. Like,
Beautiful though.
now we found it. 2 double sinks, super nice. They said they take 1.5 hours to fill this. So, well,
This is 6-day room right up.
now we found it. Super nice.
So there's.
Cheers.